Hey everyone, I'm not really used to doing videos anymore, but this is where I wanted to start. You know, kind of reintroduce myself in a video style. My name is Keith. If you see me on Twitch or anything, sometimes I refer to myself as the StoneyViking, even though the channel's name is It's So Keith. Um, Welcome back to this SideQuest channel. I know I quite haven't been posting here, and this channel's I've designed for like weight loss, training for powerlifting, um, and vocal journey because I want to express my voice into music and everything. And it's been a little difficult for me to be able to juggle everything. So this channel's occasional videos I want to change. Finger earring there. I didn't realize. Um, the main It's So Keith channel has been getting mostly the gaming streams, the VODs, and everything that are piling up that I'm sending over there from Twitch. I want to make this channel a little bit more lively, if that makes sense. Hence the name Side Quests. It's a way for me to learn and do things, and I'm ready to challenge myself on this channel. I'm ready to do something that um, teaches me to uh, edit and code. That will make sense in a minute. One second, I gotta go grab my coffee. With that being said, I want to be more consistent. I want this to be the home place for all other aspects of my journey that I am developing. Um, Number one, yes, if I'm staring directly at the camera right now, I've written all this out. I'm not a very organized person, and I don't want to stumble over my words, so bear with me. I want to organize my life a little bit better, and this will be where I post um, a lot of like not necessarily behind the scenes stuff, but all the extra stuff that I'm doing. So, um, do make D&D content as well. Um, right now, it is me being the first time DM with a first time homebrew campaign, and I want to post it here. I also have to somewhat edit them. I'm going to try and leave them as full length as possible. Post it here. I'm learning how to improv on the fly thanks to my friends. And honestly, it's really fun so far. We've done session 0, getting to know each other. Session 1, which I've had to split up into 2 different sessions, actually. Um, the plan, unless something changes, is what's today? The 5th. So the 7th, this December 7th, is to have actual session 2 to be ready. I'm working all the background stuff and everything. Um, Now I've always called myself a jack of all trades and a master of none because I never seem to master anything, and I'm constantly picking things up, and that's been bothering me. But also probably what this channel is going to feel like. Me growing, learning, messing up in real time. Because lately I've been putting myself through, I don't know why I spells ringer that way, but okay. To learn coding again. I have a background in it. I have an expired A plus CompTIA certification, but I really want to get in the coding side of everything. So I started with Python 3, and the plan is to push all the way toward a full stack certification, go into C languages, learn Java. I want to learn a good portion of the ins and outs of everything. I'm ready for a new career path, either being within my job or branching out again within my job or finding something that suits. Um, Sales have been stressful, and I'm wanting something challenging, not strictive, but structured, creative, and can be fun. And that's rough saying coding is gonna be fun. Um, Along the way, I've got some big projects within the coding that I want to set up. One of them being is how to build a game. I've always wanted to figure that out. I originally started going to college for gaming because I wanted to learn the ins and outs of it, understanding the structure and everything. And I went into game design. I feel like I failed because I should have gone in person for game design. So along the way of doing all this, I'm also going to learn Blender and the ins and outs of everything. Excuse me. Probably gonna post content about that with my best friend who's been trying to push me to make a game for, I don't know, 3, 4 years now, just to understand the process. And it's gonna be fun. On the D&C side, D&D, I think it'd be really fun if a secondary larger project that I want to learn is an interactive visual dialogue. Now, don't get me wrong, I love like Neverwinter and Baldur's Gate is great. There's always been something missing for me when I play those games. And I don't, and there's, it doesn't feel like I'm in control of the character. Now, I'm not probably gonna do that for the visual D&D stuff. This is going to be, excuse me, like I want to make a visual that I could send to my friends, maybe even send it as a GitHub link, um, where you can upload a character to the service. I want to make it's gonna be probably one at a time. Sessions are gonna take forever to build, but it's gonna be a text dialogue based thing where you have to input stats and what's it called? Roles and dialogue and everything. And based off of that, I want the system to articulate what the player has said and make a visual version of what is going on. I, I don't know if I'm going to use AI as a tool for that. I probably won't. I don't want to. I want it to be a structured thing. I'm not I'm not that old. I am 26, coming on 27, and there are these textile games that I didn't personally play. I don't know where to find them. I have watched like Game Grumps and other people play. There's one of like The Hobbit where you have to. It's a text one, so I want to take the theme of that, implement it into a visual sense to watch. Um, so let's say this is branching off in like coding aspects. So I hope this makes sense. Let's say you roll like a 15. Oh, that's a good high roll. And then you roll the damage. You would type in exactly that. And I would state, um, like you watch your player swing its sword at an enemy and you watch the damage points build off of the creature. I think that'd be pretty fun. But also, this video will. I know that was kind of abrupt. Um, Here, uh, maybe not in this one. I'm gonna start recording again when I'm done recording this. Um, This video marks the journey, the start of it, of um, bookmarking, basically. My current progress workflow and where I'm at learning Python 3 because last I learned was midlife of Python 2 before it was actually 2 years later. Python 2 was at the end of life and now it's no longer used. If you want to follow along or watch me in full of chaos, welcome aboard. Yeah, this is already 12 minutes. So I'm gonna do another recording in a second for Python and everything, GitHub. If anybody has any suggestions, give me everything.